Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and let's just jump right into the video and see how well does my Jeep Cherokee do in the snow. Let's see now. So I've had it for a little bit. I've just now been able to test a little bit in the snow. So we've been having some snow. So here's my thoughts here. So luckily with my Jeep, I have like several different options, like drive-wise. I have 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 4 low, and then like all-wheel drive. So it has the option where I can just go all the time in 4-wheel drive. So that's a really cool feature. I actually used it on my way to church yesterday. So that was fun. And so let's see now. So let's see. In normal snow, like this stuff right here, it's just maybe like 2 inches, 3 inches thick. And it does great. Like, you don't even necessarily have to put it in 4-wheel drive. It just kind of tractors along, especially with these nice meaty tires that it has on it. So overall, in like normal condition, like normal snowy conditions, not like a giant blizzard, like 1 or 2 foot high snow, it does great. And like even then, you don't really have to put it in 4-wheel drive. But I put it in all-wheel drive because on the highway it was like really slick and everything. And the only thing is, my steering on the Jeep Cherokee on Sylvester here right now, it has a little bit of slop in it, and you can tell that. So when I hit like a slushy spot or like a very thick spot of snow, it kind of wants to drag me over because there's like a little bit of slop in the steering. So that's one thing I gotta fix on it. But overall, other than that, if you're watching for it and you aren't like unexpectedly hit it and it jerks you to the side, as long as you have it ready and you know that's hitting, and then you just gotta be careful with it and don't overcorrect and everything. So other than that, it's pretty good on that end. It has tons of clearance, as you guys can see right there. So no need to worry about like snowbanks and everything. It can go anywhere you want. Yeah. So like other trucks and cars will be stuck on the side of the road or anywhere, or like you can just go around over bumps and any snowbanks you want. So that's a really cool feature, having a Jeep Cherokee that can do all that. So that's really fun. And then let's see, with thick snow or like deep snow, let's say. So let's say the deepest I've had snow-wise with this thing is probably about almost 2 feet thick in some spots, or like 1.5 feet. And then even then, it did really great on the flat spots. It was able to dig in. The only thing is, since it's a lighter vehicle, it just had a hard time like actually going down to the gravel basically on the road and not slipping. So on a hill, on like a slanted hill, it would sometimes just want to slip down and not want to catch, even with the tires, just because it was so light and it just wanted to stay on top of the snow and not necessarily get down to the rock. So that was the only tricky part, but a good thing I had a winch on it. I definitely used it. If that's one of the best upgrades you can get, it'll be in the description below if you want one. I highly recommend getting a winch for your extra. It's like one of the musts on it, even almost more than you need lockers. Just saying, it's like right on the bubble right there. I don't have lockers on it, but yeah. So on the deep snow, it is really good. It tractors really good, and then the only thing is it's just super light. So then it just kind of wants to slide a little bit sometimes. But other than that, I feel like if I put some more weight on it, like a roof rack or like some tire stuff in the back, maybe, I feel like it would tractor really good as well. So overall, the extras do awesome in the snow. They are like one of the best things ever to drive in the snow. Like my siblings couldn't get to church, so they just took my rig. So it's really cool. I would really highly recommend getting one. Even a stock one would do pretty good. Just have some fresh tires, studded tires on it. They have pretty good clearance as is. So overall, they are a plus in general. They do great in the snow. I highly recommend getting one for yourself. So yeah, if you actually want to see this Jeep actually being built, I have a 10-minute video right here. You guys can watch. It's kind of cool. Actually, I also created a little membership you guys can click onto if you want to support the channel, like basically like buy my coffee, right, once a month kind of thing. So I'd really appreciate it, guys, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Whoop.